No introduction.
Hello loves, welcome to another video. This is Sika Empire. Thank you for clicking on this video. So my mom brought me this bag of beans. She actually brought me two, and I was like, I'm living alone, how can I eat all these beans? So I was looking out for ways to preserve it, and I was like, okay, so why don't I warm it up to kill all the weevils? Let me kill all the weevils in these beans. And so I poured it into my air fryer, chose the nuts button, allowed it to air fry for 15 minutes. Actually, I didn't allow it to air fry for 15 minutes. I think roughly like 8 minutes I was done, right? So I just wanted to check how warm it is, and it was really hot. So I poured it in an empty bowl to allow it to cool down completely. You don't want it to be warm for you to preserve it, right? So allow it to cool completely. Now, in case you don't have an air fryer, you can place your pan on fire on a low heat and add your beans. Just stir for a little while, like probably 5 to 10 minutes will be okay. So that's when you don't have an air fryer. So I checked and it was warm a little bit, and I poured it in a container, allowed it to cool. So that's me checking if the beans has cooled down perfectly, right? So that's it, guys. Kindly subscribe if you've not at this point of watching this video. Thank you. So the second method is for you to add chili pepper, dried chili pepper. The work of this chili pepper, or the purpose of this chili pepper, is to drive away any living weevil. But I'm sure it is impossible for there to be any weevil in that because it was very warm. So now we have to preserve it by pouring it into a Ziploc bag, or if you have a container which has a lid, because there has to be no air, a lid, like airtight, right? So I poured it in. I can see some mess down going on there, but it's okay. So you have to suck out all the excess air. Yes, so I did that. Yes, and I placed it somewhere. So I told you my mom brought me two, right? So this is the second one. This is the red beans. So I added the pepper, repeated the process again. So now I've taught you two methods, right? The first method is for you to warm it up. You can warm it up and keep it just like that. It is okay. You can warm it up and add your chili pepper. That's the second option. So that's two. Warm it, keep it in an airtight container. That's one. Warm it or don't warm it and add your chili pepper. That is option number 2. Now the option number 3 is for you to place it in your fridge. Have you thought about that? The third method is for you to place it in your fridge. Basically, as long as you have consistent light, it is okay in your fridge or your refrigerator. Thank you for watching. Mwah.